Hey folks, welcome to the channel. So today we're going to put the brake drums on and the castle nut and the washer. Just a wrap up of basically what we've already done. So let's see, we've already put the key in place and put a little grease on that. Alright, so we're going to take and kind of line that up as close as possible. I'm going to get down, make sure that keyway lines up. And he's lined up. As we push it on. Alright, so just simple explanation here from the last shot to this shot. Took the keyway out because I just couldn't get it to go on there, and it slid right on without the keyway. Kind of tapping that into place, not real hard, trying not to bend that. Face up too bad. There she goes. And it may have been a little burr or something like that. Yeah, that's what it looks like. There's just a little burr right there or something that wasn't letting her go in real smooth. Alright, so I'm not sure where the other one cut off because it just randomly filled up and I didn't notice. So anyway, we beat the well, we put the keyway in and made sure it was all tight. And then we put the washer and the king nut on, the crown nut on. It's 1 7/16". I only have this crowfoot. It's the only thing I have that size. So that's what I'm using to tighten up. But as it stands right now, this is about as tight as I can get for the time being. It does line up. I can put a cotter pin in here. I forgot to bring one out with me, but you just put a cotter pin in here, turn the two pieces out once it's torqued up, and you're good to go. I'll have to obviously adjust my brake drum pads to so that they're to spec. I had to pull them all the way in just to get this drum on. You know, if I was more experienced, I may have been able to get a little closer, which is what I was hoping for, but it just didn't work out like that. So anyway, hope that helped, and y'all be good. Take care, y'all. Thanks for watching.